Don't know how much we need, so what I'm going to do is use all of it. Mix it up with this handy dandy mixing tool.
Purpose built.
Purpose built for this. You just look at that.
Oh. That's going to take a while to sand.
Well, you're lucky you're so good at sanding it.
Put a piece of debris in there.
Yeah.
Whatever that is.
It's gone there, motherfucker.
Yeah, that's probably good.
You reckon it's enough all the way around?
Yeah, I reckon. I'll let that cure then.
What should we stick this to? Yep, seals are all replaced inside here now on the PTO.
You did this with a drill last time, I'm sure of it.
We did. It's not as quick when you do it by hand. Why am I doing this part? It's actually hard work.
Okay, so we've sanded the crankshaft, output shaft. New seals, bolts are done up, new gasket, and then we're just going to put it back in the jet ski. The trusty engine crane there. Looks sturdy as.
We might have to move this because there's no how you're going to get around there.
Yeah, we'll have to move it. Well, managed to get the engine in the jet ski. Because we're running out of daylight, we've decided we're just going to put the engine mounts on, bolt those up, plug everything up, all the hoses, fuel line, and then the drive shaft. We're going to wait till tomorrow, I think you said.
Yeah, we'll do it tomorrow. Yeah.
I think I'll do the job. Oh, yours are way easier.
Yeah, honestly, that's what you're complaining about.
What are you trying to do?
Look at this. I know it looked like it was a harder job than it is.
Yeah. No wonder we've run out of daylight.
You gave me the wrong bit. Well, I think that should stay there now. Yep. Okay, just plug stuff in. This must go in this hole, right? That's what she said.
Yep, that looks good.
That's in. This one here goes in here, you reckon?
Yeah, why not?
It does now. If you get these the wrong way, they're around, they'll blow it out instantly. None of what I just said was true.
So, what do we have left now?
Start the motor in the earth, and obviously
Drive shaft, exhaust. Yeah.
That's easy, so we'll come back and do that tomorrow. It's a little bit, hopefully the weather's a bit better. Alright, we're going to start here by changing the oil. Suck that out, and then we'll install these parts in there. So the shaft's in there, all greased. It's all greased up. Got the boot held in with cable ties. We're just got to put a clip around there, undo those cable ties, and attach this boot. All attached, cable tied up. Now I've got the exhaust in, sensor plugged in there. Now we've got to go and fit the jet unit. All right, everything is installed here. Jet unit's all in, ready to go. Engine's got oil, new filter, coolant, and we'll start up and give it a run. In here, we're full of water. No leaks. All good, no leaks. You can see, so we filled the water level up. So it's over top of the PTO there. Run it and check that there's no water dripping through. So now we're good to go, so we're just got to put the top on, put everything together, and then take it for a test run.